Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. It has been a minute since I've done a try on. Oh my goodness, so much is going on, but I wanted and have been looking forward to getting a vegan sustainable leather pieces or faux leather pieces try on for you guys. I found so many beautiful pieces, like oh my goodness, I want to keep them all. Honestly, I can't, but I want to keep them all. But you guys will obviously help me, and I hope this is helpful to you when you're shopping for your sustainable vegan faux or leather pieces in general, because I don't just have trousers, I have dresses, I have tops, I have it all. So we're going to get straight into this week's video, guys. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, and once you've done that, we can get straight into this week's video. So the first piece that I picked up was this beautiful tan leather trouser from Paige. I didn't realize that they had like a conscious eco range, but they do, and this is one of the pieces, and I was so thrilled when I saw them because I need something in this color. I recently got a Ralph Lauren shirt, and I wanted something to match the little horse logo here, and I just think it's a lovely autumnal color. It's a good piece to have in the wardrobe, a staple. So these are high-waisted, and as you can see, they're very simple, which I love in a trouser. I don't like contrast stitching or anything like that. I don't like glitzy buttons, so it's a very underrated button, simple. The pockets are simple and flattering, and they are a straight leg. I'm loving the straight leg at the moment, and these are very flattering. So I got these in a size 27. I'm not sure if I did that because they didn't have a 26. I'm usually a 26, but these are slightly too big for me, so I will need to size down. I might even size down to a 25. I'll let you guys know over on my Instagram which one I end up picking, but stay true to size definitely, or even size down. They are so stretchy, so comfortable. You can squat, kick your leg up in the air. They don't restrict you in any kind of way, and that's the test. You know that when you can literally move in any kind of way. And the last thing I want to tell you guys is that they have put a layer of like soft material inside, so they're super cozy, just like my mother denim ones. They have like a fleece inside so that they're warm and they don't get too cold or stuck to you. So this is my first pair. What do you guys think? Let me know. I will obviously get the size down or two and decide from there. So next I picked up some trousers from AGold, and you guys that have been subscribers for a while or follow me over on Instagram will know I'm a huge fan of AGold, and they have this beautiful pair of black, I think this is recycled leather, I'll double check, straight leg, high-waisted trousers, and they are so flattering. They are so soft, and once again, the simpleness of the trouser is what I love. Again, a simple button, pockets, the pockets on the back, simple and very flattering. I got these in a size 26 and they fit me perfectly on my legs, but the waist is a little bit too big. So they do have stretch in them, so I'm probably going to size down to a 25 and see how they fit. Otherwise, I will buy these ones and I'll just get them taken in at my tailor's because I love them that much. They are so cute. You can see I've paired it with simple strap top and strappy heels. I'd wear this with trainers and a t-shirt. I just think a pair of these are so versatile and perfect for this time of year. They don't have the like comfy fleecing inside, but they're still really comfortable, really warm. The quality of AGold is just out of this world, as always. So yeah, these are recycled leather. The garment is made from recycled leather oddments, which traditionally are discarded, the scraps broken down and engineered into this leather, resulting in significantly lower environmental impact. So these are recycled leather AGold trousers. Like, how do they get them to look this good? That's all I want to know. But let me know what you guys think. Again, this is something I will need to size down on and then get back to you on. So this next piece, oh my goodness, I've actually fallen in love, like head over heels, with this hot pink faux leather. Is it faux leather or is it recycled leather? Yeah, faux leather. This is from Bardot, and it's their vegan, what's it called again? Vegan leather dress in hot pink. and I need an excuse to wear this. Halloween's around the corner, so can I maybe dress up as Barbie, brunette Barbie or something? I have nowhere to go, but I love this dress so much. It is just so flattering. You can see it on me. Simple pair of shoes and you're good to go. It's stretchy, so you can get into it really well and you can move in it. You're not restricted in any kind of way. You have like spaghetti straps that sort of halter-neck round into the crisscross back opening that you can pull in, and the pull part is at the waist, so you can pull yourself right in and give yourself a lovely silhouette. And it's also got a zip for you to get into. It's also got a slit at the back, and it's just in the most beautiful pink colour. I'm not a huge fan of pink, but this dress, oh my goodness, I absolutely love it. I really want to keep it. Let me know what you guys think. Hopefully I have a reason to wear it very, very soon. Oh, I didn't tell you what size. I got this in a size medium. I wonder if I got medium because the small wasn't available, because I would normally go for small. So I'm surprised I got the medium, but it actually fits me, and I don't think I would size down because I don't want it to be too fitted. I like the sort of looseness around the leg, and then I can cinch it in where I want to. So yeah, I would maybe size up in this one. Next up are the shorts I have on at the moment. I'm absolutely in love with these shorts. They're like paper bag shorts. They're from AGold as well, and I've been looking at these for some time, and I've been searching for the right pair, and this is the right pair. They have the perfect amount of space in the thigh to give you that shape, which is really lovely. And they're simple, and they're the perfect kind of leather. Again, this is recycled leather, super, super soft. Pockets, underrated. Button, very simple. The only thing is they are slightly too big for me on my waist. I think I got them in a 26 or 27, so I'm gonna have to size down, but I'm just worried that the leg will get smaller. So I'll size down, see if that does happen, because I do like the amount of space I've got in the leg part. So I'll try on the smaller. If not, then these are definitely going to the tailor to get them tailored in, and I will have officially my leather shorts that I've been searching for years, and AGold have got them. I can't remember the name of the short. Obviously I'll link everything below so you guys can go see for yourself, but these could just be worn in so many ways. I have them with knee-high boots, and this recently bought cashmere sweater from Reformation. I'm absolutely in love with it. That would just have to be another haul, but can you see the buttons on this? Very festive, and I just love it. And these with a cropped jumper, a t-shirt, a blazer. I have them with knee-high boots. You could wear them with trainers. So, so versatile and perfect for autumn, going into winter. You can even get away with these in the summer. So definitely an all year round piece. But let me know what you guys think, and I'm going to move on to the next one. So the next piece is a piece that I actually wasn't planning on getting. As I was shopping through vegan leather, this popped up, and it's not something I would usually wear, but I thought I would try it, and I actually really like it. It's from Fleur de Mal, and it is their, it hasn't got a name, their black vegan faux leather top, I guess. So I got this in a medium, and it fits me well on the bust. I'm a 32 double D, so I couldn't go any smaller, but I could have done with this back part being smaller, or having the option like a bra to have the iron hooks to bring them in. But I could have it tailored, or I could not, because it still fits me really, really well. So I've paired it with just a smart pair of high-waisted trousers, and I just think it goes so well. Could pop a blazer over that, or even if you had a t-shirt and you just put this over the t-shirt. I just think there's so many ways you could wear this, and it's very comfortable. The straps are adjustable also, and yeah, a bit of a wild card for me, but really, really good. It's also underwired. As you can see, it's holding me up perfectly, and like I said, I've 32 double D, so they're not the lightest of things, and this is definitely working for me. What do you guys think? Let me know, and I'm going to move on to the next piece. So this next piece is another piece that, oh my goodness, when I saw it, fell in love. It is this beautiful chocolate brown wrap midi skirt. Oh my goodness, I love it so much, but it's a little bit too big for me, so I'm gonna have to get a size down and then go from there. But it's from Enza Costa, a brand that I've never shopped at before, and obviously you can see it better on me. I've paired it up with a chocolate brown turtleneck top and some knee-high leather boots. I think you could wear this so many ways. I'd wear this with a cream cashmere like turtleneck. You could wear this out with like a strap top and strappy heels. Again, a really versatile piece. I got this in it's way too big for me, and I don't know whether I'm ordering wrong or that the sizes weren't available, so I just picked another size. So this says size 1. So that would probably be my size. So I'm gonna have to size down to 0, I guess. There is a lot of room. You do have a closure here, so the dress actually wraps like that, but you have this button closure, so you could get that made smaller. Really simple job, would be very inexpensive, and then you would have the space to wrap, because you can wrap that as tight as you want. It looks nice either way. And then obviously you have this lovely slit on the side. This piece is from Enza Costa's Conscious Vegan line, so I will be checking out more of that because it's the first I've heard of it. But let me know what you guys think. I will have to, like I said, get this in a smaller size, but I really want it. Let me know what you guys think. And that's the end of the try on. I didn't pick a ton of pieces, but what I picked I feel are real key pieces, quality pieces that will work perfectly into your sustainable vegan wardrobe. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, and also come follow me on Instagram. It's at Honestly Alessandra. Come say hey, and I will see you very soon. Things are very manic. The whole house is a mess, but I have got some amazing try-ons coming to you very soon. Yes, a reformation try-on is on the cards very, very soon. So keep your eyes peeled. And until next week, guys, stay safe and stay healthy. Bye.